Bill, let's get ready for a special treat straight out of the quarantine kitchen. So if you've got some chicken that's left over in the refrigerator or the freezer, this recipe's for you. Grill Mayor Craig Jones is going to show us how to make leftover chicken tacos that wow. Let's go.
So these are some chicken that we cooked a while back. Now you notice I put these in food savers. So I want something to put that chicken on. I had some flour tortillas, great. This is some barbecue sauce I made that we added some more sugar to and some lime to, and then some sour cream. I had just a very little piece of cabbage left and then a little sour cream. So we're actually gonna make chicken tacos out of all this. So instead of just eating the chicken like this, we're gonna have more fun with it. So the first thing we're gonna do is shred up the chicken. Now to shred the chicken, a good fork works here. So we've got our chicken shredded. Now, do not throw away these bones because we can make great chicken stock with this. So homemade chicken stock, great way to go. You don't have to buy it. So right now, let's just take our knife, run it through here. I want to get these into some good bite-sized pieces. That will work nicely with tacos. All right, put the chicken in the bowl here. Then I'm gonna add to it some barbecue sauce. The actual recipe is 1 cup of barbecue sauce, a half cup of brown sugar, and the juice of 2 lemons. And I just saved this in the fridge for if I want a nice little different, sort of a tangy barbecue sauce. So I'm gonna put the sauce in with the chicken. Now we need to heat this up a little bit, so for today, I'm just gonna throw it into the microwave for about a minute and let it go. While that's cooking, let's take this little piece of cabbage, and what I want to do is just make thin little slivers out of it. We're gonna make somewhat of a slaw. Get a little texture in there, a little flavor. I'll just reuse the same bowl. Now I'm just taking a little bit of sour cream in here. We'll take a little pinch of salt for flavoring. And then this will be maybe what, a teaspoon or a couple teaspoons of this rice vinegar. We're gonna stir this up a little bit. Now the next thing to do is, what do we do with our tortillas? Well, the great way to cook tortillas is to use a non-stick skillet, heat it up to about medium-high heat, and then just put the tortillas in for about 30 seconds or so aside. So let me do that. You can't see it, but this started puffing up. Look at that. Just nice and brown. So I'll just make 1 taco right now. I'll take a little bit of this meat, put that on there. Now let's add a little bit of this little slaw mixture. So there you go. Made out of just what we had on hand. Here to you, a nice little chicken taco. Let me taste it here, make sure I did okay. That's so good.
Well, just like that, Craig Jones kicks off Taco Tuesday and makes us immeasurably hungry all in one fell swoop. What is a girl to do?